Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn about the strict inequality operator. And it looks like this, and it just builds on about what we're learning. So it's going to see if it's strictly equal and take into account the data type. Whereas if you just have it like this, it's going to do a data type conversion. So we can look at some examples. So 3 does not equal to 3. It does equal to it, so it returns false. And 3 does not strictly equal to string of 3. And it doesn't, so it's true. And then 4 does not strictly equal to 3, and that returns true. So for this exercise, it wants us to add the strict inequality operator to the if statement. So the function will return the string not equal when value is not strictly equal to 17. So we can put the console logs in first so we can see what's going on in the test output below here. Not equal. And then equal. So we see here we have a function and we pass through 10, and then 10 is true, so we return not equal, but it wants us to do not strictly equal to 17. So we put does not strictly equal to 17. And we say it's not equal because this does not equal to 17. So we would go with this. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit opposite, but sometimes this opposite is more efficient. And you need to know this tool in your toolbox so we can be an effective developer. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.